Hello, campers. Welcome back. Welcome back to another edition of California Corrupt Child Services. I am Sean. Notice the old fedora is back. Hey, I like the other hat, but it kept reminding me that I was trying to be Justin Timberlake or something. In other words, 20 years younger than I am. But let's move on. Notice the beginning of the video. No fancy, funny video. No little story. Good reason. Because today we get down to business. Got a few emails. People are interested. How do you find an attorney? Okay. Here's how I did it in a week and a half. Okay. And I found it through the internet. And obviously, if you've been following this story, I had to use the internet to find me an attorney all the way on the other side of the country. So let me show you how you do it. First thing you got to do is go to a search engine. So what you do, there's my little buffalo, there's me. I myself, I like Firefox. Once you're there, you want to type in what type of attorney you're looking for, be it child custody, be it a divorce. In my case, it's called errands. I need an errand lawyer in Los Angeles. Let's go. Now, as you can see, I've been through some of them. I picked the first one and went. Now, when you get to their site, it's very important that you go through each and every one of their sections. Find out everything you can about them, such as their profile, where they went to school, how they where their what their specialty is. Now let's go. Once you've read through that and you like what you read, you always bookmark it. Now we're going to go back. Then you look down and you find the next law firm. And you check out this one. Read all the information, go to their profiles. You see this one has father's rights. And you like it, you bookmark it. And then after that, next important thing is I always cut and paste each one's name. And I go back. And I go, reviews for, drop in the name, and there you go. Pop in, read the reviews, see what she works on. In this case, and then go to another one. Find out more information. Research. Find out the most you can about your attorney before you make a decision. Then you take that, you do at least 5 or 6 of them, and then you break them all down and start calling each and every one of them. You talk to the attorney. Don't talk to you can leave a message to a receptionist, but most good attorneys will call you back. And then you got to get the feel. Is this the one I want? Will this attorney go in there and say, forget it? See, my problem was, now that I'm looking back and reading through my notes and getting stuff compiled for this court date, I'm seeing where a lot of the mistakes were done by, in a sense, partly my fault. And that's because I kept using the wrong type of attorney. I used a financial attorney for custody battle. I used a contract attorney for another case. It had to do with the custody. Then you need an attorney that specializes in exactly what you need, and you need to get that feel, that feeling that you can trust them. Don't let them talk down to you. Let them talk with you. That's the most important. When they question something about, why did you do this? The question should not be so much, are you an idiot? Why did you do that? It should be, I'm interested. Why did you do that? So they can figure out, okay, that's a mistake. Let me see how we can work around that. You need a thinker, not one who's just going to collect your money. Now, did I pick one? Yes. Who? Not going to tell you till after the court case. I want to make sure, but I'll tell you, I'm liking so far what I'm seeing. And how much am I paying? $450 an hour. But you know what? Well worth it. It's going to be well worth it. Because I did some number crunching while I did this whole thing. And all I can say is somebody owes me a shitload of money. Now, will I get that money? I doubt it. But somebody owes me a lot of money. Now, I'm going to talk more about how I get prepared after I've chosen my attorney, what kind of paperwork they need. I'm going to do that, but not the next video. The next video, I'm going to reply to a comment on one of my videos. And it's something that I have not had to go through, but my parents had to go through. And it's called grandparents' rights. And yes, you do have rights. You also need to find the good type of attorney. The good type of attorney? Gee. How about the right type of attorney? Someone who specializes in grandparents' rights. And usually you'll find those are the ones who also specialize in fathers' rights. Because usually the mother's grandparents really don't have much problem getting around the law. Just look at Charlie Sheen's mother-in-law. Now she has the children. Little reference, dated reference there. But that's how I found an attorney. If you got any other questions, shoot me an email, and I will try to answer them. I'm here to help everybody out. I got to be careful. My dog just got up and walked over the mic cord. I guess that's it. Until next time. Peace and out.